Hi everybody, it's the editor here from robinhooddashcam. I hope you're well, staying safe, and as always, are enjoying the videos. Just a super quick voice intro to this video. This is video 300. I've been making these compilations for just shy of 10 years now, so a bit of a milestone for me. I just wanted to publicly thank everyone that's subscribed to the channel, who likes the videos, comments on the videos. Any sort of interaction on YouTube is very much appreciated, and a special thank you to everybody that has bought me a coffee via Buy Me a Coffee. It's just a little way to say thank you, I suppose, and put a little tip in the tip jar for myself, so I really appreciate everyone that's done that as well. Thank you so much. All the information of how to do that, should you want to do that, is in the video comments section and video description below. But enough yapping from me, let's kick off with volume 300. Thank you. Enjoy.
You are a wanker. What are you? A wanker.
Yep, just another day on Arsehole Avenue roundabout.
Oh, there's another one. You idiot. Oh, in the presence of a police car. The police car's not doing anything. Oh, there's another idiot.
Alright. Don't mind me.
Oh, where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Whoa! That's a new one.
Can you
From over here.
Idiot.
At the Motorpoint Arena Nottingham for the next 12 months.
You just have to know the notes. We've been playing you a montage of 5 artists. All of them have played Motorpoint Arena Nottingham.
You got indicators.
This, and we've been playing along with you because me and Joe are not allowed to know the answer. The only person in the building that knows the answer is producer.
You utter twat.
As he's known
Right.
around here.
Come on then, let's have a winner.
I'm surprised you called battered.
Alright, how are you?
Fucking heck. I'm doing 70.
It was like a bar, I think. Straight through the red light. Yeah.
Pretty sure you just ran that red light.
Yeah.
It's more to pay for our time.
Well, it's the fact.
Red light, that one.
It's the fact that
Just having your bloody door at me, you twat. Come on, twat.
Why haven't I been in the videos? Well, it's really simple. I've been doing a lot of stuff behind the scenes for the business, the boring stuff, the legal stuff, all the things that, for sure, a bit of detail.
You wanker. You arsehole.
Stop and talk to him. Talking to him. Silly cow.
Side of the road would you like to be on? Can I suggest your own side of the road? Yeah? Who needs lights, eh? Who needs lights?
There was so much, a bit of an albatross going around the economy's neck in terms of the outlook and the health of the general.
No lights on.
And unfortunately, that's had nothing.
Oh yeah. Don't worry about lights, mate. Don't you worry. Big drug dealer. Oh yeah. Look at this lad carrying on. I'm doing 30. I think he must be doing what? About the same.
And another TR3A. This one rather more standard condition than some, and to my mind nonetheless attractive. And a beautiful P5 Rover. Fiat 600.
Yeah. There's a crossing right there, but don't you worry, love. You're too important and entitled to walk a few extra yards. State of it.